Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch off specific apps from your data usage on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4 and it is basically going to look the same on the all iPhones with the latest iOS. So with the iOS 17 and 16 also it is going to look the same, but I guess you have the latest version. So what you want to do is to go to the mobile service, and then if you swipe down a little bit you're going to find your current period of usage and also apps by usage of the period. So as you can see, only my system service has something and weather because I have reset it today. So as you can see, you can turn off specific app from using your mobile data. So let's say you want to disconnect, for example, Discord or DJI Fly or Home or maybe Health to not use your mobile data. You just want to find the specific application and just click here to turn the access to your mobile data from the specific application. So let's say maybe you want to use some application only through the Wi-Fi if you're connected. So you just need to click on the specific app to turn it off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!